Hello, darlings. How are you? I feel like I haven't seen you in forever, but I saw you last week. Anyway, what are we doing today? So body washes. Yeah, we're doing 3 summer body wash fragrances. That's what we're doing. Okay, so yeah, so I need 1 ounce of cast iron soap of each. So since we're doing 3, it's gonna be 3 ounces of cast iron soap. And I'm gonna put it in my bowl of hot water. And then I got 3 teaspoons, around 3 teaspoons of shea butter. Sexy. All right. That's gonna melt. You know, y'all seen me do this plenty of times. We'll be back. I'll show you what to do next. Okay, we're back. So that has melted all down. I got 1.5 ounces of super hot water, and I'm just gonna fill this to 2.5 ounces. And we're gonna take our handy dandy, whatever this is, and we're gonna mix that up. Okay, I'll repeat the process 2 more times, then I'll come back and I'll show you what scents we're doing. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, guys, so we got strawberry and watermelon. So we're doing strawberry and watermelon.
Yummy.
So we're gonna do about, I think, 7 of each. Or that was like 10, but you know, it's whatever. There's no rules, okay? Do whatever the fuck you want. Excuse my French. And then we're being ghetto, so I don't have any like coloring for, so we're using food coloring. And give that a stir.
Looks like a strawberry milkshake, and I want some now.
Okay. All right. Now this one we're doing Plumeria, which is like my favorite scent.
Plumeria.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Using purple for this one. I think that was a little much, guys. But you know, I do whatever I want.
Now I want a blueberry smoothie.
Okay. It's not blue. Well, it's kind of blue. All right, and then next we're doing pineapple passion fruit.
Ooh. About 7 of each on this one too. And since it's pineapple, we'll do yellow. Give that a stir. And now we're going to take them and pour them in our handy dandy bottles. And there we go. And I'm just going to repeat the process with all of these. And so, guys, I messed up. I forgot to put emulsifying wax in these, so it's probably going to separate on my end, but don't forget to put emulsifying wax in when you do the shea butter and the cast iron soap part. But I screwed up, but I'm my booty. I do whatever I want. Okay, so this is what you got, and if it's a little bit too liquidy, I did use 1.5 ounces of water. Maybe just try using 1 ounce, or use more shea butter. Or whatever. But I won't really know the consistency until it cools down a little bit. But anyway, y'all get the gist. Anyway, that's your 3 scents. You got strawberry watermelon, Plumeria, pineapple passion fruit. And my scents are from P&J Company. I mentioned them before. They're really awesome, you guys. Get your scents from them. Alright, and thank you guys for watching. Love you.